makraman kura ondi. Yede makraman kura na.
Kraman kura ondi. Ni fie kraman kura ondi.
Yes, yede man fie kraman kura ondi.
And at the end this for akwa.
Boys, me kan bubu na dey.
Beye.
Me da say. Is the activities na me.
Ebushafo mamu nyina akwa ba eba Ghana Asem TV GH. Pacho mesere mo like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebushafo yeko NSM anyway.
Okay, to come and deceive you. And I say, yeah, you tired. I think that this is an appeal to all of us. We will say the base maybe so from how say we are bronye whatever you want today. You feel any because if say and can boom. But it was a topic no about Anglo Gold. Mama person automania. Okay, I can't be brave about this. Minyanka, you introducing next topic, you know. But let me give a highest 3 minutes. And then Alex take 3 minutes now. You next topic. So yeah,
and you know the voice.
Yes.
Now, almost Anglo good night.
You told my Ibrahim by December.
Almost time. No, be 12 hours. Okay.
The party for you. Vote you and the party for you. Brothers the best. You will see all the way. Lily, what's what domano? Yeah, mommy, why are dear?
Mahama, they don't want to
Citizen Association.
Yeah, Citizen Association. Mahama, they don't want to Anglo go new month.
Party for you. Vote for you and see. The party for you. Brothers the best. You will see all the way. Convention AYEKA.
Mama day, me da say. Mama for omo new, but omo me new so fe. Mama day say omo ni ma say obi a oye early 40s.
Baby boys. And man Muhammad de Mariana or the me Tony.
So the man Ibrahim by December.
Now new one to the end we what we.
There ni naka. And new month Anglo Gold and is a chin now by December.
I'm the man in your Ibrahim mama.
I can't you. Nini abeni you.
Hey, every day.
Swallow pa.
Yeah, bro. Movie so yeah, bro.
Swallow pa.
Say, Akufo-Addo was an angel president Ghana have ever had. Seriously.
Of course.
The onya nyina chi onya ne MPs nyina chi na Akufo-Addo babie no de gold bia ma na so omfa. Oman gold board bia nkoda no.
Me say, do you know? I'm not interrupting you.
Right.
One of the things that made me respect Akufo-Addo. Through what in presidency, and yet free senior high school and the other things no. You lose the election in you know, 7 December 2024. Ocho letter money appointees and say, wow, a bank car will change piano. By 31st December, make sure say carding in our hand over. That is what made me respect the man. Akufo-Addo, former president, but car or Timono, 2020 car.
Yeah.
2020 car, 6 years ago car.
But Mahama buy I don't want go cars.
Oh yes. Mahama can lose the election in year no. Oh now say vice presidency residence kwa fancheme.
Mahama okay say by you know kwa fancheme baby hotel kwa Ghana kwa fancheme.
Yeah.
And they are a statement in fancheme. Mahama ska onya nyina achi. Open down. And then see em fancheme. Like I mean I mean yes say this form do they think omo dream pa Because original your man wow, and no we say no. Member party and condemn them. Because Bakufa na one fa or mind Japa de bia money nuano. Musi mubwana senwiam. A man ne statue a BSC one Monday abufo kububu statue no touch ne.
Edeme bufo. Say bufo. And at the end is for aqua.
Boys, my kind of bufu na dey. Bayi, me da say. Is there gratitude in me? So, what the bayi? Boys,
the voice, Maba.
Mate.
Oh, Ekubu is idea you know to be because the Gufa do any pub bonini. Ba ene JD Maba. What they go da kasi agana ewo. Mi ensa nyina mani nua so ontu enten kamfa. Ghanaians who they have nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. On Fanko. Hey, say difference. Power no. Any Afro Moody power. No, 7 billion years ago. And this one deep power no. Yes, power is talking. Wait, Bema, say one. You beg your appointments. Oh, the minister and this be okay. Can beg your appointments.
Yo, me da say yes.
Can beg your appointments.
Me da say yes.
You want buy some means and some. Na dia end there.
Pressure about me so you back to the pressure better than no.
Oh, yeah, boys.
You plastic chest.
Yeah, your friend say, young con only 4 years. You say, Mamma, and now tell them not so. What
you do that?
You get 4 years in you know. Now, Mahama, you and the whole Africa, no whisker. Trust me. What am I?
Oh, India. Mama Nakasano Kran Scout and easy. It was for Mama Uncle Alex. No, say topic. I say I exhaust you and Uncle Alex, but 2 minutes now. Uncle Christy Supreme. We have next topic. I'll start with the fresh ones when I start with that one.
Michelle bibia or platform so hey na. Makai mo say enumere ye Safo Boating a platform so ye program bi on my friend no. Money ye nyepe around 7:30. Now we are going to differentiate the MPP and the NDC and expose them. Enti eneno ye wo hono a ye money ye nyepe program ne de den. Enti Mr. Mo say Safo Boating mo beba na ma wa be support platform na yetimi ID say adwuma no. Fast forward na me kan say NDC as a political party no omo ndwen Ghana fo ho omo no mo ba omo botom e no omo dwen ene kro no mbebo Ghana fo na nka ente saa aye den no bitumi ye free education na wotumi ba within 6 months na becheche nkokọ e de ma Ghana fo say Ghana fo no eno no ye papa esen obi a wotumi ma millions of Ghanaian children's education e impact bibi e won kwala ni trimu no wo se eno de enye Mate say yesi school of den omo manuane no so a threat say omo be cause strike because ye nya nuane mfa mankwala no me kai mahama ejina platform touch there yen say duane na nado de mankwala no ye de makraman kura ondi ye de makraman kura na
ni fie kraman kura
yes ye de man fie kraman kura ondi enti as a president and a former president ultimate na ho na wo kan sem wi na enne no Eniema say ene ekọ mem hanum na se wo ye youth na otumi begina be kasa ban papa ba na wo na wo se ye chiw ne do kọ Israel ne ekọ hwe wadwin mu se ye hwe wadwin na wonye papa ne yenku ne ensie wo ho no a se wo ye papa nso a yentwi moje wo mu nyina ne fa moje foforo ngu mu because me nyin ni se babunu a wo Ghana hanum a wo pa adwuma ye ya che nkokọ miensa e de abere wo se wo gina yen no ono mahama ne ma egu universities akesiem eco school akese e call for boxing arena nim niam akeke kan wo ye niam akese ma ne ma na wo de ya chi akokọ fe e dia be hye won sase wo gina yen no mi hu nyansa bia e wo de Ghana youth enam ho no mo de na MPP egu na de e kansam fu e de kire Ghana emebunu ene de ekoso Ghana ha no mo no bro airtime wo bed mamu kura light ha de be ye adwuma wo benya bi dia hwe wo ma ene obusua kura mpo no fun ne adumu no na wo de kom ekofie akwakwakwada we ni aban papa na Ghana for ye hwe na enti enanwumre no program bi ekoso hyehye pa obi amadwan na munhu de ekoso na
kona ye meeting bi a se nko mo ba ye program yi na o ma hyeda de ye friends say Kennedy ni Bawumia oba osemi Bawumia we ba osemi Kennedy no mo de atemdidie ni niema bi abeka enti se wo so ye Bawumia nipa na se Ken nipa na beba na wo so wasoso na wo di wo mo nso atem ti mesremo ya amoma mu ani na ho na monye yi kakra sa na se wo ma hye we ba osemi wo Kennedy side enti me ba na wono abedi di Bawumia atem na Bawumia so nkrofo so tia no mo nso enti mesremo eya mama mu ani na ho so obi ba no be bibisa mo nkate no
I had a monya say no kwan and I had a monya
because Andra say one platform bi am ko pie so wo ma soja wo so gidigidi me sa kwoto ba ko bi NDC form kwan de go a
ye go sim kwasiafo wa ha
me sa kwoto ba ko bi a ono odu o say chale makoto bombo ato wo mumu ko hwe se do masi asoja no ana o mo asa twa wo mo no mo kan the voice ya na mo aye wise say na be ya obi ba ho mo be block no cry free so ti yam call the next topic in mpacha
yo ebusham for 3 in 1 topic with the 3 in 1 na in fajagusu first one and he say yeah papa Dr. Lawrence Teten pacho person drop ya mama ho ami siu pam chopa yes o drop in request the am fa out. Yeah, let's give some you understand
In free baby you have voice every when it comes to health. You see, there is a quote that says a healthy people builds a healthy nation. Or mind be or mumunipa e won pomodene no. Won etimi chire o man ema o man no ebenya ntemapa efra. Na me hunu ade mienu bi wo NDC fo ho. De edi nkai no, omo ye nkofo bi a omo mpe nipa yiedie. Nia etoso mienu no, omo ayete se bonsam a wonu omo didi aye so no de atretenten e na edidi. There is a saying that when you are eating with the devil, you eat with him with a long spoon. That is NDC for you. You see, yeba beto aba. Edi ansem ena NDC for anka edi amfamfa eye MPP for. In the lives of Sami Jemfi, Sam George, Broja Jemfi, Okujeto Ablakwa, anyone they are communicators. Name them. But edi adina ye hun wo Ghana ha say. Bibia omoka ye biano has become something like I say na it was a movie na ye directed and a movie no esi until the story is not all that rare. But what we are experiencing today no is what NDC people were saying say when they come wa ombema ye enya no better. So what fa impomodenia in the lives of MPP wo share adwumaden a yewura ekufu ado ene Dr. Bawumia eye restoring NHIS so wo hwe ekatuturi dia ewura John Mahamani Atamils eba ye be fatu wo ebo wo minor broja kakese eto wo no ede man omu free so na NHIS na egu National Health Insurance Scheme na egu na eka eda wo no enye kaketua na wo kwa akopɛ enduru a private sectors nani ada na omo no supply enuro meka kire wo say omo ma wo enuro ni bi because eka eda so eda ho no mu ekufuado eba ye no woni ba wo mieka wo nyansan si ani kakran tikasi awi adwe tibiri kase tira adwene efa nyansa wo mu ena eba mo de no bayi sa aka ni nyina efiri wo no mu ena NHIS SI ebe restore ye edru baby ne NHIS bosa wo sa wo kan se wo card wu na sa wo review and also renew one na it take a month and sana na abia what me use but it came to a point say and then NHI card e wupe under Akufo-Addo no or restore e kan say wo ye na ya na asase a SI eye adwuma yetimi boa ya ma ebedu ebe afei no ukọ hospital ba na access of healthcare no ebe ya akono edru bebe na Akufo-Addo ne ba wo me ehunu se Ghana ha yen health sectors no esusa yintire ne be bia say asem to bi ya just one place in anye Kumasi Konfanuache na anye Kolebua na yen se de so then let's bring agenda 111 Bahama beka kire say agenda 111 no sika wo betimi e de complete $2 billion enso oba ye no sika wafa eka wabo e wo man yi mu no e bro billions of billions dollars a want me and county any single agenda 111. Eko we chile no omu se omu ntumi enya ho adwuma no. Nia omu e kan ne say agenda 111 na Akufo-Addo eye no ba akukura ni hono mu a o complete ye but incident ka say internet never lie. And no crow way no can't cut out said the PFE. And abede they said there was a lot of agenda 111 mebrea. Ye we ya a machines near a gum near a canis or be ano na oma fa and call for ama maya juma. There be a make us say, and this is forced back what is about Bonia, what power leas na want now arena say. It to Banchia, oh dear. No jar to one because Banchino EBSA and Mobium on one tenacity. A son NDC for a subai etsi. And to know omu nip ni papa beer mom say omu nim says omu e can say ye be hospitals now. Ye befa a nurse for after Jumaya for a more aqua juma or monster acomano or person wa boa bruntin or mouse aquino. Mamimra a yes security. So what for security and someone under a Akufo-Addo no. Omo point me and nipa bia me tu kwan kwa chiri pa oya omo so mo kwa so no barrier na wo so bebre eti ebema crime rate eso tie mahama ko gina simpie so kan say MPP for eba power Chrono armed robbers so ewo man mu na omo eba no they are sending a warning to all armed robbers say their works has come to an end mahama and yes ewo internet so kwa benya sa video no na wo hunu ene ede na AC footballers akọkọbọ ball bechem Chelsea for akọbọ ball Kofi akromfo akọto aso mu okwa so akum player ba as young as he is bia nko na the family breadwinner and wa hwere ne nkwa because of arm robbing adimu esiedun katia agina simpio so aka kire Ghana fo nyina say mu nipa 50,000 na moko yes am per recruitment ye mfa mu wo police ni ne keka ho no se ye fa mu san nkofo ni awia ahenefo ni akromfo ye bechi wo mu eti no omu they know the people they voted for them onu Ghana fo ankasa no ya dwene esua nankasa obi tibeka kire wo se dokono ene nchinam ehu hia eche digitalization na watie na akwakoto aba e ama no Emma ene you see the kind of chaos a Ghana enamu they say Ghana na kwete say wutimu na wa mpekwa bi ni nyansa bi ni da hobi amfa mmowo ho baya your life is at stake because no one cares about you wo mo na wo mo tiemu wo mo na mo kan sima kese wo mo na o mu die Akufo-Addo atemu no and they are the people abayi bae no wo mo nyina positions wo mo eye adwuma in the lives of Akufo-Addo no ye hunu a mechanism any eniema mfidia wodo cars, motos, any near America can want ye ma a police for Emma when a juma a year come on now who push a police patrol now a cost 24/7 every blessed day biano every place biana obedru biano now who a police patrol team a good quiet so a year juma anajo a ria and humachi and so to a ria but and what is going on because even the security service for Lankasa are buying to your mocha the government is not paying them. That is NDC for you. Or no, I had no bonsam oba oberia okum na wasen de biano or dia baba no oba bewia okum no wasen o enti ne sa wo bekọ ye se wo ni yie emfa no ho o mahama na oto no onye na adwen se o pempuntu obi e de ama Ghana for na me da bia me meka se emfomso pa boni a ye mahama pa ne se ye sa de ne ba back boni a Ghana for ye mahama se bi inkwasiafo 6 million bi ejimi sem wo mkoye ye nti no na de aba ma me fa wonko education sector mu a teacher for yet the mu ye adwuma 3 years under Mahama the first term what the mu ye adwuma 3 years then time no na vice president ya what is way on na education minister ono na okujeto abrakwa scale life and the nim said ye waka nkraba temu no or na can say the deputy. And these people let you work for 3 years and paid you 3 months. I catch them say, well, which I want to me and Chadi. They were the same under Mahama, the Mahama first, no. A basic organ says a teacher for course here, over talk and fan and Chadi. And on a say, Yamamu chalk on it, Yamamu chalk at China. Musa nko fo we Akufo-Addo ebaye oneba wo mianka kranga kan o be class amu kan nyina tia musika nyina maamu ena makatua o be yakona sa atu makatua mu emaamu mu konya ba bi ko gina ya because of licensure exams inti mu a teacher for so mu te o ya ko kwa pai ena yeah, say a mess at your margin mono. Me wouldn't say a teacher for about 70% go on bufu a kufu. I don't know. Let's just a bone and all my bone. I had the phone no more trail of your ma. It was school and unti and a year almost they say or Monconco troll essential exams in Tombufu abayano. Now enka a young one was said we were put through some of form. No one will busasa as a pra or cotere. Who for some of reform? Who we are busasa as a pra. Now assassin the walk and wine and air, then a one a tie from dada.